Hello, electronics explorers. Have you ever worried about getting a shock when working on circuits? It's a common concern, but don't worry, we can build a simple circuit to protect ourselves. This circuit is called an anti-shock circuit. It's like a safety guard for your electronics projects. An anti-shock circuit makes sure electricity flows smoothly when you turn on your project. This prevents any sudden jolts that could give you a surprise. We'll use easy-to-find components and simple steps. Let's get started and make electronics safer. Before we begin, let's gather our tools and components. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Here's a list. A breadboard. This is our building platform. Jumper wires. Think of these as the roads connecting our components. A resistor. This controls the flow of electricity. We'll need a 100 ohm resistor. A capacitor. This stores electrical energy. We'll use a 100 microfarad capacitor. An LED. This will light up to show our circuit is working. A switch. This will turn our circuit on and off. You'll also need a power source, like a battery pack, to energize our circuit. Now that we have everything, let's start building. Now comes the fun part, building the circuit. Follow these steps carefully. Place your resistor on the breadboard. Connect one leg of the resistor to the positive rail of the breadboard and the other to an empty row. Next, insert the positive leg of the capacitor into the same row as the resistor's second leg. Connect the negative leg of the capacitor to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now, connect the longer positive leg of the LED to the same row as the positive leg of the capacitor. Connect the shorter negative leg of the LED to an empty row. Connect one leg of the switch to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect the other leg of the switch to the same row as the shorter negative leg of the LED. Finally, connect the positive wire from your battery pack to the positive rail of the breadboard and the negative wire to the negative rail. Congratulations, you've built your very own anti-shock circuit. Let's understand how this little circuit acts as our safety guard. When we first turn on the power, the capacitor acts like a sponge, soaking up the initial rush of electricity. This slows down the flow of electricity, preventing a sudden shock. Meanwhile, the resistor helps control the amount of current flowing to the LED. Once the capacitor is full, it allows the electricity to flow smoothly to the LED, lighting it up. This gentle process ensures that there are no abrupt surges of electricity when you turn on the circuit. And there you have it. You've not only built a useful circuit but also learned how it works. Remember, safety is paramount when working with electronics. This anti-shock circuit is a simple yet effective way to protect yourself while exploring the exciting world of electronics.